So now I can continue with sequential circuit design. So earlier we have designed binary, sequential, synchronous counter. So in this section we have to design twisted counter. So in this section we have to design twisted counter. Here we have the step 0 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 6, 6 to 0. It means the counting of from 0 to 3, 3 after 3 we have count 5, 5 after 7, 7 after 6, 6 and 0. Then 0, triple 0, 0 is starting from 0, goes to 3, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 5 and goes to triple 1, 7 and 7 goes to 6, 1, 1, 0 and 6 goes to again goes to 0. So some have states are missing like 1, 2 and 4. So in this condition we have used don't care condition. So in sequential circuit design, present state is 0, next state is 3 and again 3 goes to 5, again 5 goes to 7, 7 goes to 6, 6 goes to 0. So another 1, 2 and 4 are missing. In this we have not counting from 0 to 3. So 1 and 2 are missing, 3 is there, 4 is also missing, 4 is also there. So next state is dash dash dash. So we have to count 0 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 6 and 6 to 0. So in this state we have present state in 3 input section and next state 3 input section. So ABC is the present state section, this section, and next state ABC in these 3 sections. So we have to design using JK flip-flop. So in JK flip-flop, 3 input section, 3 next state section. So we have to implement using JK flip-flop with 3 flip-flop, JAK, JBKB and JCKC. So again we have present state 0, next state to 0. What is the excitation table in JAK? 0D. If B is 0 and next state goes to 1, and what is the excitation table? 1 and D. When C is 0 goes to 1, what is the excitation table? In JK flip-flop 1 and D. So in this 1, 0 goes to 1, but 1 it is not mentioned because the twisted counter 1 is not counting. So the next state is dot dot dot. In this case we have excitation table all the JK are D don't care condition because we have not counting 1. Next 2 is also not counting, so next is dot 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 and all the flip-flop are don't care condition. Again 3 goes to 5, so we have to start A 0 to 1. What is the excitation table? 1D, 1 to 0 D1, 1 to 1 goes to D0. Again 4 is missing, so in the missing case dot 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 and the excitation table all are DDD, so don't care conditions. And again 5 goes to 7, so according to inputs in present state and next state we have to fill excitation table of JK flip-flop and again repeat these things on 1 7 to 6 to 0 7 to 6, so we have to fill according to JK flip-flop. After that we have to convert into circuit implementation. We have to again for design for JA, KA, JB, KB and JC and KC. So we have to design JA equation. For JA equation the input section are ABC 0 to 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. So we have to fill this in K-map section. Again repeat, K for K, we have to fill ABC input section and JB, KB, JC, KC. So I can start from JA. In JA, ABC is the input section. We have to fill all the JA value data. So one quad is there, so JA is B. Again, for fill the KA section, we have one quad. So again, C dash. For JB, for second flip-flop, JB. ABC is the input section. All the cover or J octet. So then JB equal to 1. So again, KB. So we have to fill. So one quad is there and another quad is there. So A dash plus C dash. Again, JC and KC. JC is one quad is there, A dash, and KC is equal to one pair is there only. So A and B multiplication. So we have to design using K-map. So equations are coming from K-map, JA, KA, JB, KB, JC, and KC. Next, we have to design a circuit equation. To 3 JK flip-flop are there, one JK, another JK, and third JK. So ABCA is the lower value. So A, B, and C we have to contact with Q, B, Q, and A, Q. ABC are the input section. So the equations from equation JA equal to B. This is the JAK, this is the JBKB, and this is the JCKC. This is the output section QQ dash, QQ dash, QQ dash, and the clock pulse is also combined there. This clock pulse is also clock pulse, and this is also with this clock pulse. So it is the all click pulse combined together, and this is the ABC. Again, the circuit equations are J equal to B. J equal to B, it means that B is connected directly to JA, and K equation is C dash. So again, C equation is there, C to Q, it means that C dash, it means that Q dash. C in Q and then C dash is Q dash. So we have to connect C dash in KA. Again, JB equal to 1. JB equal to 1, it means the highest state we have to connect 1, and KB equal to A dash plus C dash. A dash plus C dash we have to convert, or either A dash means if Q is A, then Q dash is A dash. So we have to connect A dash into OR operation, and C dash, it means that Q dash, we have to connect there. The output of this gate is connected to KB. Next, JC equal to A dash. It means that Q dash is A dash. We have to connect from JA. And K equal to AB. A means Q. We have to go to AND gate, and B is connected to this. AND gate operation is AB, and AB connected to A. This is the sequential circuit design for two-state counter. Next, general procedure of another types of sequential circuit design. So in this section we have to design finite state machine can be used for express the behavior of sequential circuit. Counters are a special case. State transition are indicated by arrow with label x dash y. X dash y is the main component section mentioned in diagram. X dash y, yeah, x oblique y, it means x is the input section and y is the output generated through input. X means input that causes system state change, and y is the output generated while moving the next state. We have to refer two example. We have first example.